Alfréd Rényi was a Hungarian mathematician who made contributions in combinatorics, graph theory, number theory but mostly in probability theory. Life. Rényi was born in Budapest to Artur Rényi and Barbara Alexander. His father was a mechanical engineer while his mother was the daughter of a philosopher and literary critic, Bernard Alexander. He was prevented from enrolling in university in 1939 due to the anti-Jewish laws then in force, but enrolled at the University of Budapest in 1940 and finished his studies in 1944. At this point he was drafted to forced labor service, escaped, and completed his Ph.D. in 1947 at the University of Szeged, under the advisement of Frigyes Ries. He married Katalin Schulhoff, herself a mathematician, in 1946. Their daughter Susanna was born in 1948. After a brief assistant professorship at Budapest, he was appointed professor extraordinary at the University of Debrecen in 1949. In 1950, he founded the Mathematics Research Institute of the Hungarian Academy of Sciences, now bearing his name. Directed it until his early death. He also headed the Department of Probability and Mathematical Statistics of the EOTVO's Larand University. From 1952, he was elected a corresponding member, full member of the Hungarian Academy of Sciences work. Rényi proved, using the large sieve, that there is a number such that every even number is the sum of a prime number and a number that can be written as the product of at most primes. Chen's theorem, a strengthening of this result, shows that the theorem is true for k equals 2, for all sufficiently large even numbers. The case k equals 1 is the still unproven Goldbach conjecture. In information theory, he introduced the spectrum of Rényi entropies of order alpha, giving an important generalization of the Shannon entropy and the Kullback-Leibler divergence. The Rényi entropies give a spectrum of useful diversity indices, and lead to a spectrum of fractal dimensions. The Rényi game is a guessing game where some of the answers may be wrong. In probability theory, he is also known for his parking constants, which characterize the solution to the following problem. Given a street of given length and cars of constant length parking on a random free position on the street, what is the density of cars when there are no more free positions? The solution to that problem is approximately equal to 74.759799%. He wrote 32 joint papers with Paul Erdos, the most well-known of which are his papers introducing the Erdos Rényi model of random graphs. Quotations. Rényi, who was addicted to coffee, is the source of the quote. A mathematician is a device for turning coffee into theorems, which is generally ascribed to Erdos. It has been suggested that this sentence was originally formulated in German, where it can be interpreted as a word play on the double meaning of the word Satz. But it is more likely that the original formulation was in Hungarian. He is also famous for having said, "If I feel unhappy, I do mathematics to become happy. If I am happy, I do mathematics to keep happy." Remembrance. The Alfréd Rényi Prize, awarded by the Hungarian Academy of Science, was established in his honor. Books. Rényi. Dialogues on Mathematics, Holden Day, 1967. Rényi. A Diary on Information Theory, Akadémia Kiadó. Rényi. Foundations of Probability, Holden Day, Inc., San Francisco, 1970, XVI plus 366 pp. Rényi. Probability Theory. American Elsevier Publishing Company, New York, 1970, 666 pp. Rényi. Letters on Probability, Wayne State University Press, Detroit, 1972, 86 pp.